So I want to make a hanger for my gloves. Here's my walking gloves, Paula's gloves for winter, and maybe to put my motorbike gloves up there as well. And I'm going to hang them on the side of the bookcase. All we do is we use some metal pegs, pin them together, and on the hook. And I like that idea because it's nice. That just keeps them nice and clean and tidy. I'm going to keep the same idea with the hooks, but just up and out of the way. So it's going to be quite a simple project. Let's see what we can make. Let's go and make something. Okay, it's going to be a pretty simple design, really, to be honest. Gloves, and I've got an idea what font I want to use. It's already been used in the past. There it is. We'll enlarge it. Yep, that'll do. We'll switch it all to curves, and then we're going to break the curves apart, so I can now move these letters individually. However, the O will combine them back together because it is now in two parts, and the two parts is if you go to view, wireframe, you can still see the O is still there. What we'll do now is we'll combine those two, and if we go back to enhanced view, back to normal. So now I'm just going to kind of lay out something like this. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go along, and what I'll end up doing most likely is, once I've come up with something, I'll probably tidy it up off screen. May change it around a little bit, I don't know. As I said, I'm kind of making this up as I go along, so I'll have a play around with just how I want it to look, and then I'll come back to you. This is what I've come up with. I think I'm happy with that. It was pretty close to what it was. I've changed it to a light grey, so when we print it out, it'll be saving on a little bit of black ink. It will also be dark enough for me to see. One trick is you could just switch it to outline. However, as you can see here, you might get confused with some of the where to cut. So you could fill it in with white, but you could still, it would still may confuse you, and you may end up cutting down here, not wanting to. Make it a solid colour, no outline. Okay, we'll print that out. And we'll catch you down in the basement. People still ask why I put the tape down. When I'm scroll through, well, what the tape is actually doing makes it so much easier to remove the template. Just some green or blue painter's tape. Yeah, so when I glue this on, I'm just gluing it onto the masking tape, and the masking tape leaves no residue when I peel it off. Right, I need glue. Ah, that's why. I thought I had a spiral blade in, but I didn't. Okay, I've got a spiral blade in there now. Hopefully that makes more sense to when I'm cutting internally. We'll change it back to a straight blade on the outside here, but internally I like using spiral blades. So now since we've got some nice big long straight lines, we'll swap out the spiral blade and we'll go to something like that. Wherever that's a pin blade, I might have to modify. I've still got all my old blades from my old scroll saw, which are all pins on the end of them, so I might have to go and modify this blade. So I've switched out to a wee sanding strip just to do the outsides, and I can probably get into the insides of them, but they're not the best fitting, so I don't know how long it will last. I've used them a few times, but we'll see how it goes. And that's why I use the painter's tape. Makes it easy to get off, and there's absolutely no residue of glue or anything. Nothing to sand off other than the tidy out sand, but there's no residue of the glue or anything. Put a wee countersink on them. Now the next holes I want to drill. Bring down screw. No. Oh, thought it was up there. Must be, yeah, there we go. Hooks and hangers. Hooks and hangers. Hopefully I've got enough. I'm going to do these by eyeball. Mark 1 number eyeball, but I'm only going to put like 1, 2, maybe 3. Maybe 4. So there you go, a nice simple project. You could actually probably make that with a little bit of finesse with a jigsaw, maybe. I don't know. You'd have to be pretty careful doing some of the inner parts here. But it's a nice simple project. It's tidied up the glove area. Thanks for watching. Keep stay strong. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.